Kigali City Bus with the collaboration kugira ngo dukore Visit Rwanda twaje ku kigo cyitwa Wings International School aho umurizo center ifasha kujya gusura historical site no kumenya uburyo ki umunyarwanda wo hambere yabagaho. Rero iyo bavuye ku historical sites tujya ku murizo ikigo cyitwa umurizo kugira ngo babashe kugira byinshi biga kubera bumva ni abana, ariko iyo bahageze babasha kwiga ubw'iki umunyarwanda wo hambere yabagaho ibikoresho. Rero kugira ngo tumenye amateka ndetse tuyabungabunge ni uko waza ugasura umurizo. Rero tugiye kubatembereza, tugiye kwinjiramo tubereke uburyo ki ino bus ishobora gutwara abantu benshi, yaba ari abanyeshuri yaba ari abantu bakuru. Please muze tujyane tugiye gusura. Nk'uko mubibona hano hari imyanya yo hasi abana basa kuba bicayemo, ariko no hejuru igitangaje harimo indi myanya. Tugiye kuzamuka naho tuhabereka. This is our Kigali City Bus. Aho abana bagize kwa bicaye. Come and visit. Good morning, everyone. At Wings International School, the collaboration of the show and the Kigali City Bus. We have come to bring them so that our historical sites with the aim of learning and how we live and live. So it's a joy as you're seeing them. They're so happy so that they're going to visit, so they're going to visit and see how Rwandans will live. So they're so excited. So I would like to emphasize all schools, just join us so that you can help the students to learn and get more information about their history, post business. You can see that children, they don't know how to their historical information. So as you see, you're going to excited. You're so excited. Sure.
I wish you back.
As you bring them, and I would like to. The bus is what?
How can the bus go? That is the question they are asking. Maya, how can the bus go? How can the bus go? Do you believe the bus can go? Now, look at this one. Look at this one. Now. Okay.
Yeah, we want to go in there.
If there is space, they can just go up there.
There is space.
If there is, take them up there. Hey.
No, à côté des maîtresses.
This bus
They're so excited as you see. Just they're so excited. I would like to emphasize also that see the joy on the face. They're so happy. Mwaramutse neza, uko muri kubibona ni ibyishimo byinshi, umunezero, bafite amatsiko. Ikigo cya Wings International School rero turi kubatembereza aho bari kuva bari banze bakajya kuma historical sites, bakajya kumurika kugira ngo bajye kwiga umunyarwanda yabagaho ibikoresho akoresha. Rero ageze Aren't you happy? Are you happy for this? Oh my God, it was a pleasure to see you traveling with you. Sibyo? So, as I've told you, where are we going? Oh my God, bravo! Clap hands for this girl. What's your name?
Patricia.
Oh, Patricia. Patricia. Oh, okay, you want to speak? Okay.
My name is
Your name is? Okay. So what was so interesting for you this morning? Okay. Anyone want to speak? Sorry? Oh. Anyone want to speak? Everyone is going to tell us the name and also the class, right? Oh, Maya in grade 4. So, where are we going to visit? Malaysia, what? Wow. So, who knows a traditional song? Anybody who know a traditional song? Who? So, you're going to sing for us. Okay.
Give.
Okay, sing for us.
Why you go back?